Oh, oh my god, bro. Dude, there's so many birds. There's so many birds. There's so many birds over there. There's also like a lot of birds over there. Look at that. Look at the birds, bro. That's a lot of birds.
I'm so scared.
Bro, look at those birds, bro.
Yeah, bro, a big bird.
Bro, why is there so many birds? There's even swans over there. Wait, are those geese swans or... Dude, they're coming closer. Dude, they're literally circling this one field.
You really let that thing hit you?
Dude, they're literally circling this field. Oh, they're all landing. Taking for land. We are at the destination. Okay.